Every building, bridge, road, and dam begins with one essential material: cement. But have you ever wondered how cement is actually manufactured? The process starts with raw materials, such as limestone and clay. Limestone is the primary ingredient used in cement production. Heavy machinery transports the extracted materials to the crushing plant. At the crushing plant, large rocks are broken into smaller pieces. The crushed materials are then sent for grinding. Grinding converts the materials into a fine powder called raw meal.
Raw meal contains the required ingredients in carefully controlled proportions.
The raw meal is stored in blending silos.
Blending ensures a uniform chemical composition. Next, the blended raw meal enters the rotary kiln. A rotary kiln is a long, rotating furnace. Inside the kiln, temperatures reach nearly 1450 degrees Celsius. Several important chemical reactions occur at this stage. Carbon dioxide is released, and new compounds are formed. The final product leaving the kiln is called clinker. The hot clinker is rapidly cooled. Cooling improves the quality of the final cement. Clinker is the most important intermediate product in cement manufacturing. After cooling, a small amount of gypsum is added. Gypsum controls the setting time of cement. Finally, clinker and gypsum are ground into a very fine powder. Limestone is the primary raw material used in cement production.
Not all cement is the same. Depending on strength requirements, cement is available in different grades. 33 grade cement develops a compressive strength of 33 megapascals after 28 days. It is generally used for plastering and masonry works. 43 grade cement develops a compressive strength of 43 megapascals after 28 days. It is commonly used for residential buildings and reinforced concrete. 53 grade cement develops a compressive strength of 53 megapascals after 28 days. It is preferred for high-strength concrete and major structural projects. Before purchasing cement, a few simple field tests can help identify its quality. Good quality cement should have a uniform gray color with a slight greenish shade. When rubbed between fingers, cement should feel smooth and not gritty. Cement should be free from hard lumps. Lumps indicate moisture absorption and possible deterioration. When a small quantity of cement is sprinkled on water, it should float briefly before sinking. Always check the manufacturing date. Fresh cement generally provides better performance than older cement.